Stick around to see how I created 4 very fun fall/Thanksgiving craft ideas that you can do right now with the kids to get ready for the holidays. Oh, and did I mention that it was inspired by this cute book? So you are not trying to miss this. So I know you are going to stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Everybody, welcome back. It's your girl Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here to bring you another book inspired craft. But before we get into it, don't forget to like this video so more people can find it, y'all, and subscribe to the channel for more craft ideas for your kids. Yes. So you guys know I always have to share the book that inspired all of these fun fall activities. But I have to point out that this situation is a little bit special. And I'm not just saying that because I'm good friends with the author, right? I am. But I am saying that because I got an exclusive peek at this book. Yes, you heard me correctly. I was the first, or one of the first, to get the pleasure of reading this awesome book. And this book right now is not out for purchase just yet because it is a Kickstarter book. The author, Virtuous Cornwall, needs your help to bring this awesome book into the hands of children all over the world. But don't just take my word for it. Here is a special message from the author right now.
Hello, my name is Virtuous Cornwall. I am the author of the Animalsville stories. Thank you for visiting my campaign. The third book of the Animalsville series is Thankful Day. This story is about the families in Animalsville and how they came together on Thanksgiving Day to demonstrate acts of kindness. I'm very excited to share this book with you. This story was created to help us show gratitude in honor of Thanksgiving. Thankful Day teaches us many ways in which we can give back. Thank you so much for your support by pre-ordering today. As a self-published author, I need your help to assist with the publication of Thankful Day. My previous books were published thanks to so many of you who supported my efforts. Since then, I've had lots of opportunities to serve children and families in schools, libraries, and the community. The best part is, I had the privilege of meeting Mayor Ras Baraka of Newark, New Jersey, who's doing a phenomenal job with the children in the inner city. Donated books will be given to St. Peter's Recreation Center in Newark, New Jersey to support children literacy. I also will be donating my time to read and lead a workshop to mentor girls and boys on how they too can become children authors.
Wow, after a pitch like that, how can you deny such an awesome book? I know I was among one of the first to definitely back this book because I want to see it come to life. And after reading this book, y'all, I was ready to go around and fill everyone's bucket with good deeds because this is such a brilliant concept and it really will motivate your kids to do great things for others. So, guys, drop down in the description box right now. Click on the link that says Kickstarter and become a backer by pre-ordering this book. It is the perfect book for Thanksgiving, and I promise you, the kids will love it, y'all. They will love it. So let's go ahead and get into all these awesome ideas that were inspired by this book. And then I'll talk to y'all at the end of the video a little bit more about Virtuous and how awesome she is and more things that she is doing for our community. Let's get to the first craft. All right, let me see what you got. Oh, those are nice. All right, let's keep getting some more. Ooh, this is, well,
my favorite thing.
Yeah, we're gonna look for some interesting leaves. Huh, these are your favorite. Oh, I found a nice one. This one's nice. I like the colors on this one. It's so pretty. Look at that, y'all. Yes. Let's use this one.
Yes, that's my favorite.
Oh, don't crunch it, baby. Be careful. All right, let's get this one too. This
Yeah.
is pretty.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this one. I like this one. So as you guys can see, we went outside, we picked leaves. Make sure you guys pick leaves that are whole, like you don't want the broken ones. So once you finish picking out your leaves, now you're gonna bring it inside and you're going to get started. So everything you're gonna need for this craft is gonna be in the description box. So no worries on trying to remember everything, just drop down in the description box. So the first thing I did was I sorted out the leaves, because you know, kids are awesome, but they pick some of the leaves that you're probably not gonna be able to use, like leaves that are broken. I'm going through, I'm looking for the leaves that are whole. I'm looking for, if they're not, I'm just tossing them aside. Normally I would do this outside, but of course we didn't get outside until like 5, so you know it gets dark at 5:30. So I had to come inside and yeah. So if you can do this outside, it'd be less messy. So now that I've sorted through all my leaves, I'm getting ready to paint them with my daughter. Oh, and I must point out, you want to use the ribbed side, the side that you can feel the imprint on, not the smooth side. Use the ribbed side. I hope I'm explaining that correctly. So you're going to paint any way you want. You can paint half one color, half another color, or you can paint the whole color. You guys are going to watch as I'm doing this. Paint it any way you want, but just make sure you paint the entire thing just like I'm showing you here. Then you're going to put it on the paper, try to press all of it down so it can basically stamp itself to the paper. As you guys can see, there is no rhyme or reason or rhythm to this. Just do what your heart leads you to do, okay? Everything you're gonna do is looking cute. So now that I'm working with my daughter, I'm having her paint it on a plate, because you know she's only 3, so they're not able to hold it and have that kind of motor skill. So if your child needs a plate, have them paint it on the plate. Just tell them paint the whole thing. And this is how it looks when it's dry. So you know we're not gonna stop here. This is how it ties in with the book Thankful Day. So this book is all about encouraging messages, being kind to others. So what you can do is outline your leaves and then write, or have your child write, very nice messages to people and hand it out to them. You can cut it out and you can give it to them, and it will make a beautiful surprise. So make sure y'all keep those leaves handy, because we're going to use them again in this next project. So all you're going to do is you're going to get a water bottle like this. I got this one from Dollar Tree. Fill it with like a tablespoon of water, and then fill it with whatever paint you want to use. Just a little bit. So you're going to put the top on it and you're going to shake it up until it is completely mixed. So we want a very nice watered down paint. Now don't make it too watery. It still needs to have a little bit of like pigment, but you know, get the consistency nice and I guess liquefied so that it sprays through the spray bottle. Then you're going to put leaves all over any construction paper, any color you want. Next, have your child spray the colors all over the paper. Now, if your child is like my daughter and they can't really squeeze, they don't have enough strength to squeeze the trigger on the bottle, you can help them like you see I'm doing right here. And I did want to mention that when you're doing this craft, go to Dollar Tree, get your water bottles, but get at least 2 or 3, because I could not find my other water bottles for the life of me. So I ended up having to clean each bottle and replace it with a different color. And you don't want to do all that. You want to have all your colors ready to go so y'all can spray and have fun. So get as many colors as you can. I recommend 3. 3's enough, and it'll have a nice, pretty airbrush look when it's all dry. Now, I do want to mention, let it dry fully before you take the leaves off. My daughter just really wanted to see what it looked like, but try to encourage your kid to let it dry. If not, you'll have this wet, splotchy kind of look, You see right here, it didn't mess it up too much, but if you want it to be like completely airbrush look, let it dry, then take the leaves off. And you guys know me well enough to know we can't just stop here. So when it dries, have your child write things that they love about Thanksgiving or what they love about life, or they can write little messages like we did in the first one. It is your choice. Remember, Thankful Day is giving thanks for everything we have, everything we love. So just be creative. We put everything we loved about Thanksgiving. The last optional idea is turn this into a placemat. So you can put it on the table, y'all, and y'all can eat y'all wonderful plates on top of this and be reminded of all the things you are thankful for. Now, if you're not blessed enough to have a school, I know I'm a teacher, so I had to sneak into the teacher's lounge real quick and laminate this. But you can go to places like Office Depot or anywhere that they laminate things and just laminate it, and you can have it forever, and it makes a great placemat for the Thanksgiving table. All right, so let's go ahead and move to our next idea. So I completely adopted a craft that I did previously on my channel. So you might have seen something like this, but I remixed it a little bit to fit the elements of the book. So y'all know it's all about friends and laughter and fun. So we're going to make a Thanksgiving wreath, but we're going to do it with a friend. And that's why I call this the HighFive handprint wreath. So don't hesitate to use that plate that we used earlier and swirl a little bit more colors on there. I added some yellows, some browns, some whites, some tans, whatever. Just make a nice little mashup of colors. Then high five a friend. And I'm going to show my daughter where to place her hand because she's going to go first. So we're going to get her handprint. Bam, flawless, right? And then I'm going to go next. So we're going to take turns teaching. If you have two little ones in the house, this is perfect for siblings or best friends. And you're going to just take turns and complete a circle until you have a wreath. Now, if you run out of paint, make sure to keep high-fiving so you can share the love. This is a great way to teach kids about collaborative art, where you guys are working together with a partner to create a final product. So you keep going until you get the desired look that you want, and then you guys can decorate your leaves with ribbons, bows, any type of decoration, sequins, anything you have around the house. You can even add beads to this and just make it a gorgeous little wreath. All right, I know this video is getting long, but we got to leave you one more quick activity that you guys are going to love doing on Thanksgiving Day. Now, go to this website right here. Okay, once you go here, you're going to get a bingo card. So you can go to the Thanksgiving bingo card. That's the template I want. It's hundreds of templates to choose from. You're going to custom make your title. This is what I'm going to title it because that is what the card is based off of. And then you're going to enter in things that are just random acts of kindness. I came up with this because Virtuous had a clubhouse room that was a random acts of kindness for Random Acts of Kindness Day, right? So I figured, okay, this ties in with the book because of course the book is telling you to be thankful and be mindful and good friend and help others. So I figured you guys can make a bingo card that you're going to play on Thanksgiving Day with your family. Now, you don't have to do this on Thanksgiving Day. You can do this if you're a teacher. You can do this in the classroom. You can adapt the items and the things that you want to your students. If you want them to hold the door for someone, say thank you. Or you can do this any day of the year, honestly. It doesn't have to just be Thanksgiving or around this month. But I figured this would be a cool way for you guys to have fun as a family and just share the love and just, who doesn't love being kind to others? It makes you feel good. So yeah, I suggest doing this. So when you are done putting in all of your items, I'm just going to stop right here because this video is going to be too long. Pretend that I have 5 across and 5 down like bingo, okay? And then you're going to go to next step and then you're going to push 30 free, unless you want to pay. If you got coins, go ahead and pay for it, but I'm not going to pay. I'm going to hit 30 free, and it's going to generate 30 bingo cards for you. It's going to mix everything up, and everyone's going to get a different bingo card. And that is it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed all these awesome ideas and crafts that I came up with from this awesome book. Guys, don't forget to take pictures and tag me on Instagram because I want to see everything that you guys did this holiday season. Also, don't forget to follow our author, today's author, Virtuous Cornwall, on all of her platforms. Everything is linked in the description box below, her Facebook, her Instagram. And did I mention that she's also on Clubhouse? Yes, she is on Clubhouse and she is doing her thing, y'all. She has a Clubhouse called Clubhouse for Kids. That is her room. So definitely make sure y'all search that on Clubhouse, hit her up. I've been in that room several times and it is always a joy, a great space for the kids. And guys, make sure you get to know Virtuous. She's one of the most genuine, hardworking, supportive authors I know. And please, please, please hurry to her Kickstarter event. Pre-order your book, become a backer, and receive lots of freebies and specials from Virtuous. And guys, please hurry because this offer is ending very, very, very soon. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have an awesome holiday. I may come back with another video before Thanksgiving, so definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. And here are some cool videos that you guys can watch next. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.